This house represents a very common situation in São Paulo, a long and narrow ground, with only the front elevation free of interference of the buildings around it. The architects cleverly addressed the challenges of the narrow lot by reversing the facades, bringing the interior spaces outwards and creating a more open and connected feel. The use of two interior courtyards as organizing elements is a unique and innovative approach. These courtyards provide natural light and ventilation while creating distinct zones within the house. The project likely incorporates sustainable features, such as natural light and ventilation, and the use of energy-efficient materials. The reversed facade concept is a particularly interesting and innovative approach to designing a house on a narrow lot. The integration of the courtyards into the overall design creates a unique and dynamic spatial experience. The use of high-quality materials and finishes, such as concrete and natural stone, creates a sophisticated and timeless aesthetic. The use of the roof as a recreational space further enhances the connection between the house and the surrounding environment. This project is a testament to the power of architecture to create innovative and inspiring solutions to challenging design problems. By carefully considering the site's unique characteristics and the client's needs, the architects have created a truly exceptional residence.